Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring the future of best action cameras and revealing our top 5 picks for the best action cameras in 2024. Whether you're into riding, traveling, or skydiving, capturing daring moments requires the best action camera. Our selection includes options ranging from low-cost devices to high-end ones based on my personal experiences, extensive research, and user feedback. In this video, we'll be ranking our recommendations so you can find the best action camera to suit your needs and budget. We've included links to the cameras in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 picks. Number 5, Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera is a versatile and compact device that appeals to both vloggers and action enthusiasts. It offers many features at a great value. One of its standout features is its dual screen design with a front-mounted selfie screen that makes it perfect for vloggers. Although the camera can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second, it's worth noting that it doesn't support 4K at 60 FPS. The Brave 7 LE action camera is weatherproof and designed for all filming scenarios, making vlogging a breeze. With its IPX7 water-resistant design, the camera can withstand rain, snow, and water splashing. You can even take it on underwater adventures and dive down to 131 feet or 40 meters with the included waterproof housing. The camera features 6-axis stabilization across all resolutions, and it captures still images using a 20 MP sensor. The camera comes with several accessories, including 350 mAh batteries and a charger. Pros: affordable and easy to use, image stabilization, high-resolution photos, waterproof. It comes with a rugged protective case and other accessories. Cons: the touchscreen is not very responsive, short battery life. The Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera is a reliable and user-friendly camera that offers excellent value for money. It features a front-mounted selfie screen, making it suitable for vloggers. Although it is not the best 4K action camera on the market, it is an outstanding low-cost alternative with a variety of useful accessories. Number 4, Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a fantastic action camera that has had a huge impact on the marketplace. It boasts cutting-edge functionality, making it a formidable opponent to GoPro and DJI. This camera produces an astounding 8K video output, setting a new benchmark in the industry. It provides excellent video quality at all resolutions and is both sturdy and versatile. The Ace Pro is the first action camera to provide 8K video output, but only at 24 frames per second. However, it makes up for this by providing 4K 120fps slow motion and active HDR for more colorful images. The camera handles low light and highlights quite well. Furthermore, it comes with a variety of mounts, making it suitable for any action sport. The stunning 2.4-inch flip screen enables live viewing and assessment of footage. This camera also allows you to take 48 MP still images. Insta360 has a long-standing relationship with Leica, which designed the Ace Pro's 1/1 3-inch sensor. The video quality is remarkable, with satisfactory results in a variety of lighting circumstances. Although there is certainly room for development, the camera does a fantastic job of recording high-quality video and photos, particularly in more challenging lighting conditions like low light and highlights. Pros: 8K video resolution, great stabilization, handles low light and highlights well. There are lots of mounting options, creative shooting modes, good battery life. Cons: expensive compared to alternatives. The audio quality could be better. The Insta360 Ace Pro is an outstanding action camera with excellent low light performance and a user-friendly flip-up screen. Furthermore, it is bundled with some of the top software on the market. However, it is significantly more expensive and heavier than the other options. If you want a high-quality action camera with cutting-edge capabilities and are willing to spend a premium, the Insta360 Ace Pro could be an ideal alternative. Number 3, DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is the latest addition to DJI's action camera lineup. It builds on the strengths of its predecessor, the Osmo Action 3, while also introducing several new features. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or simply enjoy documenting life's moments, The Osmo Action 4 has something for you. The Osmo Action 4 has excellent image quality due to its bigger sensor. It thrives in low light conditions, making it suitable for both daytime and nighttime photography. With a maximum video resolution of 4K at 120 FPS, this camera produces smooth and detailed footage. Slow motion enthusiasts will like the fast frame rate. 10-bit D-Log color recording. For professional grade color grading, the Osmo Action 4 supports 10-bit. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is the latest addition to DJI's series of action cameras. It improves on the previous edition, Osmo Action 3, and adds some intriguing new features. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or simply enjoy documenting life's moments, the Osmo Action 4 has something for you. With its bigger sensor, the Osmo Action 4 offers stunning image quality in low light conditions, making it ideal for both daytime and nighttime shooting. It can record 4K video at 120 FPS, resulting in smooth and detailed footage that slow motion lovers will appreciate. The camera also offers 10-bit D-Log color recording, which allows you to capture more dynamic range and color information for professional color grading. The Osmo Action 4 is also built to survive tough conditions, with a long-lasting battery that can record for up to 150 minutes continuously in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, 4 degree F. Because of its improved water resistance, you may carry it underwater for up to 59 feet, 18 meters, without anxiety. The Osmo Action 4 has a 1.4-inch front screen and a 2.25-inch rear touchscreen, making it simple to manipulate and frame your images. It is a D-Log color recording. This feature allows you to capture more dynamic range and color information. Long-lasting power, even in extreme cold. This dependable action camera can withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and record continuously for up to 150 minutes, guaranteeing that every exhilarating event is preserved, even in the roughest conditions. You can safely dive up to 59 feet, 18 meters underwater. Improved water resistance increases durability during aquatic experiences. The front screen, 1.4 inches, and rear touchscreen, 2.25 inches, offer simple controls and let you frame images quickly. Pros: solid video quality, cool mounting options, decent internal audio, exceptional image quality, up to 4K 120 slow motion. Cons: battery life could be better. The GoPro Hero 12 Black offers slightly more features for a similar price. The DJI Mimo app lacks some core editing features. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a powerful action camera that can be utilized by both beginners and experts. If you value high-quality images, slow-motion capabilities, and versatility, the Osmo Action 4 is a great choice. However, it is recommended that you compare it closely to the GoPro Hero 12 Black and the Insta360 Go 3 to choose which camera is best for your individual needs. Number 2, Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 is a top-of-the-line action camera designed for sports, travel, and outdoor activities. It has secured the second spot on our list of the best 360-degree cameras thanks to significant upgrades from its predecessor, the X3. The Insta360 X4 offers a range of advanced features that make it an excellent choice for capturing high-quality videos and photos. The Insta360 X4 comes with the ability to capture 8K 360-degree footage, thanks to its new 5nm AI chip. With this feature, you can relive all your experiences in stunning clarity and enjoy smoother, sharper images for every frame at an improved 60 FPS. It's perfect for capturing action sports or scenes with lots of motion. The Insta360 app comes with AI-powered reframing tools that let you shoot first and frame later, ensuring that you never miss out on any moment. The invisible selfie stick allows you to capture incredible third-person shots and drone-like angles that are impossible with other action cameras. The HDR video mode brings out the details and maintains superb stabilization for action sports. Active HDR boosts colors in the highlights and shadows that other action cameras miss. You can also use X4 as a traditional action camera with single lens mode, now twice as smooth at 4K 60 FPS. Additionally, the Max View and Free Frame Video feature lets you go ultra-wide with a 170 degrees view in an upgraded 4K 30 FPS. The X4 is designed to handle any adventure, with superior image stabilization that delivers smooth, quality shots no matter how intense your activity is. The flow state stabilization ensures that your footage remains stable and smooth, even in extreme situations. The X4 has removable, easy-to-apply lens guards for those who prioritize safety. For added protection, there are premium tempered glass guards that are tough, scratch-resistant, and designed to preserve image quality. The X4 has a massive battery capacity of 2290 mAh, which gets you 135 minutes of recording time at 5.7K 30 fps, a whopping 67% more than the X3. The X4 is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, out of the box. For underwater adventures, you can use the invisible dive case to capture footage down to 164 feet, 50 meters. Pros: solid build with great battery life, bullet time slow motion mode. The Insta360 app is ideal for 360-degree footage, 4K/60p single lens recording, 8K 360-degree video capture. Cons: the price is high, runs hot. The Insta360 X4 is currently the best 360-degree camera on the market, having addressed the primary faults of its predecessor. It enables 360-degree reframing at 7K resolution, which is significantly higher than previously possible. The camera has an excellent battery life and amazing stabilization, and the Insta360 software includes a plethora of awesome effects. What distinguishes the X4 from the X3 is its ability to film in single-lens 4K/60p, allowing it to compete with and even outperform many of today's top action cameras, whether you enjoy sports, travel, or outdoor activities. The X4 is a terrific choice for recording your adventures in high-quality 8K 360 degrees video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is an advanced action camera that can be used by both casual and professional filmmakers. It has excellent stability, ultra-wide capabilities, and a variety of functions. The camera is capable of capturing up to 5.3K 60 Ultra HD footage and 2.7K 240. It has a 27MP sensor for high-resolution photos and features like HDR and a 1 or 1.9 inches image sensor to improve the quality of both photos and videos. The Hero 12 Black has excellent video stabilization, making it ideal for action-packed scenes. It also allows live streaming and can function as a webcam. The camera is also waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures. Pros: great video stabilization, pro controls and timecode sync, durable and long-lasting, small size. The photos and video quality are incredible. Cons: bad battery life. Very few headphones support wireless audio features. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality action camera. It includes a variety of features that appeal to both casual users and professionals. Although it has a few drawbacks, such as a short battery life and a lack of GPS capability, its benefits exceed the cons. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is an excellent choice for vloggers, adventurers, and professional filmmakers alike. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 picks for the best action camera in 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy ending.